Hi folks, this is Rose from In Rose's Garden, and for the last few days I have been vending at the Sandpoint Renaissance Fair. That's why I haven't had any new videos up. But, well, I had a great time, and if you ever get a chance to go to Renaissance Fair, if you haven't, I suggest you go. They're a blast. So anyway, what I was going to say is while I was gone, Bargain Bead Box came. So I've already slit the top, so let's turn down and see what we've got in this lovely package. So here we go. Here's our paper, and here is our package. It's wrapped up in tissue, of course. Now, I have been warned by a few people that this week did not have numbers on them, so I guess we'll just take them as we go. But it states your beads. This is a Bargain Bead Box Summer Sunrise. Your beads, bright skies lie ahead with these warm, summery colors. A sparkling cubic zirconia sun pendant brings the heat, matched with agate and Malaysia jade quartz accents, plenty of sparkling crystals, and high-quality gold findings. These fabulous factory closeouts came to us already individually labeled. You will notice one pack, the 5.5 millimeter crystal rounds marked with 2 asterisks on your list, came mislabeled as a pendant. They matched our theme so perfectly that we included them for you anyway. The actual info for this item is a 5.5 millimeter crystal English cut faceted round beads, goldenrod AB 10 inches. Sounds like a good time. The other item I always try to mention is their 30% off coupon to their sister store, Beadbox Bargains. This coupon code works for anybody who has a subscription to Bargain Bead Box. So if you want to get a subscription in, Bargain Bead Box is $19.95 now, I believe. It's definitely worth the money. So let's turn our slip over here. Summer Sunrise Collection. So apparently these aren't numbered, so guess we'll just find them as we go along. Normally I would get them in order, but since I don't know what kind of order we are wanting, that's not going to happen. So let's see. The first thing is a 33 by 32 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass and zirconia sun pendant. This is Malaysia jade. That's pretty. Is this it? Yes, it is. Okay. Come on out of there, baby. That's pretty, especially with all those little sparklies on it right here. Let's see if I can get it focused for you. Isn't that a pretty little thing? So that's our sun pendant. Now these actually have pricing on them, so this one would have ordinarily been apparently $9.99. Now these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 18 different items, so at $19.95 you're paying just a little over like $1.10 per item. So that says $9.99 because it's a regular price. 2 pieces of 18 karat gold brass sun charms. There we go. That's these little guys. These are cute. I really like them. They'll make really pretty earrings. Don't you think? I think. So make earrings and necklace with the other side, with our pendant there, and that would make a cute little match up. 35 by 26 millimeter Malaysia jade dyed quartz oval pendant in magenta. Nope, that's carved agate. I think it's probably that other one we had earlier. This one. Yes, it is. I think this is a beautiful color. I love pinks, so that one's, I really like this. Number 4 is 2 pieces of 18 millimeter pink crackle agate teardrops with gold-plated wire wrapping. Ah, here we go. These are pretty, though I have to admit that when I wire wrap, I try to use a slightly larger diameter of wire. And these are on their sides, so their loop. There, that's better. So those are those pretty little guys. Number 5 is a 24 by 18 carved crackle agate oval bead dyed and heated. That would be this guy. And he does have some carving on him. It's pretty. Next is 30-piece 7 millimeter swirl bead caps. I guess that's this guy's. Those are pretty. I like these bead caps. I like them a lot. I think they're really cool. Actually, these are not bead caps. Are they? I guess that's what they're calling the bead caps, though. They don't really look like bead caps. Rondelle spacer beads. Maybe I have another one that says it's a bead cap. I don't see one that says bead cap, though. So, unless we find it later, I think that either A, we didn't get bead caps, or this is what they're calling the bead cap. No, this is 10 grams. This is the next line, 10 grams of 5.5 by 2 millimeter corrugated rondelle spacer beads. We'll have to look for the bead. If the bead caps aren't here, we'll have to get hold of the company. Oh, there they are, bead caps. There we go. So there's our bead caps. We've already got the spacer beads out. So the next one is a gold-plated magnetic clasp. That's this guy. Come on, magnetic clasp. Come out. I want to see how good it is. Oh, it feels like it's a pretty good clasp. That's a nice little clasp. "18 inches of golden stainless steel textured oval jewelry chain." This is this one. We usually get a meter, so this is not as long as we normally get. But it is a pretty chain. So there's our chain. Now this is the one that says the English cut crystal round beads, which over here says it's a crystal English cut faceted round beads in goldenrod AB. So I'm thinking that's probably these. Very yellow color. There we go. That wire wants to escape and I don't want to get poked, so we will just cut it off. 7-inch strand of 6mm crackle agate faceted round beads in pink. That would be these little guys. This is a very colorful box, and it does remind me of a sunrise, if it's a really pretty pink sunrise. Those are pretty pink beads too. Now we have 6 pieces of 14mm faceted coin beads in Magma AB. That would be these babies. I love this style of bead. I think they're really pretty with these facets and the matte facets on them. Aren't those gorgeous? "20 pieces of 8mm crystal faceted bold cut crackle round beads in magenta coat." Here they are. Or pretty pinks. I love pinks. Aren't those pretty? I like those a lot. There's sparkly. So there's the magenta. Next is a 7-inch strand of 8mm matte crackle agate round beads in deep orange. That would be these guys. This is pretty. I like these variated oranges here. That's really pretty. So in you guys go. So after the orange, we have 20 pieces of 8 by 7mm crystal faceted crackle lantern beads in teal. Ooh, I like these a lot. Those are a really pretty cut. And they so sparkle. So this is the ones in teal. And the next is 20-piece 8 by 7 crystal faceted crackle lantern beads in amethyst. I really like that purple. Those are really pretty. Then we have 20-piece strand of 10mm crackle agate round beads dyed and heated in maroon. Those are a deep color. They almost remind me of red jasper. They have that same color tones. Those are pretty. And lastly, we have a 13-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicones in Magma AB. Aren't those pretty? So that is our bargain bead box for this month. They say the approximate total retail value for this shipment was $80. So this is a beautiful set of beads. I really love these purple, these magma coins, this pink. I like those too, but they're not my favorites. I like these spacer beads. I'm glad they sent us those. And I guess these are pretty, but there's the clasp. Yeah, I think I really like this pendant. I love the color of it. I'm sure I'm going to use it, definitely. I also really love these sun pieces. The little ones will make beautiful earrings, and this will make a pretty pendant. So, wow, I'm having a hard time picking a favorite here. Maybe these two little tiny suns, or maybe the big sun would be my favorites. But these, I really love these things all across the bottom here. These are definitely worth it for the box for me. My least favorite, I don't think I have a least favorite. I like them all. But since I'm not much of a yellow girl, I'd have to say the yellow, but they really will come in good with the rest of them, though. So I like this whole box. I think it's gorgeous. There we go. There is our bargain bead box for June Summer Sunrise. Oh, I love these things. They are so pretty. And thank you for coming and opening it with me. I was really thrilled by some of these things, especially the lantern beads that came in all different colors, pink, teal, and purple. All those colors will go really pretty when I make something. I really like those. And then the other things I really loved were my my sun pendant and my little sun's little tiny ones. This will make a beautiful pendant and earring set. I just have to design something and put it together. But definitely I will make them sort of a set so these two can match. And I thought that was just, they were just gorgeous. So anyway, this has been Rose from In Rose's Garden, and I hope you enjoyed opening these bargain bead box Summer Sunrise with me. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.